Oh, listen, while I've got the heat gun out, I'll show you this other one. I've done a video on this before, and I know I've done it many times. It is so cool, I just like doing it. Right, I have to, this is my hide glue supply. I buy it by the 25 kilos. Now, I have to put it in there. This used to be the procedure. Right, so just grab a handful of hide glue, like that. And okay, granted I could use a bigger funnel, but it just takes so long to push that through the funnel. And I don't want to have an open top jar like that, because when I tip it into smaller containers, it runs everywhere. So, this is the answer. And again, ooh, I'll tell you the story of the heat gun in a minute. All right. So now, all I have to do is get my jar, put it in there, fill it up full, put it down there. Get an old soft drink bottle, soda bottle, whatever, throw that off, cut it wherever you think's good. Throw that part away. Okay, this one I use full heat. And full power. There you go. All done. How cool's that? Hey, I love that. It's my party trick. And then, you know, it's fresh. And when I want to use some, that's all I got to do is unscrew the top, pour out whatever I want, put the top on, and it's watertight and it's safe.